Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Real quick, I'm gonna show you guys how me and my wife offset chicken feeding costs. Right now they're out of their regular premium store-bought feeding. So what I've done is I've trimmed up my tomato plants and have some cantaloupe shavings left over, and my wife found these corn at a truck stop. The truck stop driver got it rejected and they gave it to her. So let's make a quickly the homemade chicken corn meal. Let's get that. Happy spring. Today is spring. 5-minute video. Happy spring. Remember to like, subscribe. We still haven't named the homestead yet. My little update for the week. Or it's not my update. We've been pressuring the algorithm since lately. Trying to get out there. Please bear with us. Please support us. I promise we keep it entertaining, right? Very entertaining. Alright. Real quick. We're just shaving the card off the card and give it to them. The last rejected load we fed them was rice. Somebody says that you have to feed them organic food for them to be organic. And that is true too. But when you get them raised at a farm, they're injected several times before you get them. So even if there's GMO in the corn, you know, it's watered down. And by the time their system process whatever GMO is in table scraps, you end up, it's like water. That's the whole purpose of it. You filter water, the chicken, the animal, filter the GMO and give you a less contaminated version of it. There's a research NASA is doing, asking for a team of scientists to come up with a system to get rid of waste in space. And I thought NASA was smart because I'm almost sure that microbioorganism was the best option. You're gonna get a type of insect and worm that you can consume after they consume most of the waste. And you keep them in a chamber and you know, kind of raise them in the chamber to eat as much debris. Pigs too. Can pigs go in space? So tell NASA to get at me. You know what I mean? Working on an engineering degree, I can help them out in space with that. I'm just kidding, but yeah. Feeding them these table scraps and stuff is just like filtration for us. And I promise you, when you eat a chicken that is fed mostly vegetable, they're nice. This is how you know I'm a cook. Even my chicken have to eat proper. Even the chicken food gotta be fancy. Mine. Even the chicken have to get it fancy. All right. Let's keep it jumping. 2025. This isn't pumpkin. It's for my chickens to thrive. This is how I wake up every day since I was a little boy. Anybody who know me from when I was a little kid say, you wake up every morning with this amount of energy, like energy. Lit. Remember, all table scraps, not because they are animal mean you must throw dirt in their food. Still can prepare their food for them. You know what I'm saying? As I say, I ain't got no shame in my game. My wife said the load was rejected. I'm like, but I fed it to the chickens first. If they was gonna die, if any of them had died, you know, I would have knew. But this is some good corn. I'm telling you, stick around at the homestead, man. We're gonna show you a lot of things. After the harvest, we're gonna get to my TikTok page, cooking with the Yardman Live. Lot of fresh ingredients. We're working, people. We're working. 2025. More savings. More farming, more nature, more peace, more love. Less money, greed, and violence. We have it all already. Wood, everything comes from the earth, people. Alright, I think this is enough for them. It's quite a lot. We don't even feed them so much, will we? But it's wet corn. And they're more like pets more than everything, anything. The next batch of birds are gonna be fed for weight. So we treat them good. The chickens have so much personality, man. It's crazy. I don't know how people can be cruel to animal, but then again, I can kind of see it. Because empathy is supposed to be a real human emotion, but we can harm with brothers without any second thought, you know what I mean? Any second thought. So, why wouldn't we not burden the beasts and slaughter the fowls? Huh? Energy, people, energy. Damn, I'm doing this video like it's alive. Alright, we're gonna bring this to attach because they have a lot. They have a lot of food. I should make sure it's more. It's 8 of them. They're gonna be eating all day till tomorrow. Alright, let me give them some more. Oh, we're gonna add some collard greens leaf to it too. There's some collard greens in the garden we're harvesting for seed. If this is your first video, check out our channel. Everything homesteading, DIY, how to. It's a movement over here. Increase the way of life through knowledge, not money. Increase your way of life through knowledge, not money. So alright, we're gonna take it to them now and see and give you guys like a little shot to see them eat it. Let's go. 2025. Okay, guys. So here's a supply, like a snapshot of the corn that my wife got off the truck. And we're gonna take two of them to hang in the chicken coop. And it was full. The chicken, they love it. They eat it pretty fast. Plus me too. Oh, there they go. There they go. Okay, so we let them out to eat. They're a bit hungry. You know, just like I like to observe stuff. I'm standing here observing they graze like a flock of goat or cows. For birds, they are very similar to the mammals. I just realized that. But anyway, first we like to collect the eggs. So let's go and collect the eggs and check it out. They think I'm gonna feed them the cavity. No, ladies, we're gonna pick up the eggs. So, let's do, guys. We just okay. So we got a full. They're all in now. I'm coming, man. They're all in now. We're just picking up the eggs. Them they is upset. They like you come and take it with eggs. I have a feed us at you, son of a god. But we don't feed them because if you feed them, ooh, this is a big egg right here. So that's what. 7. One of them not laying. Yeah, one of them not laying. Guys, calm down. No. Okay, wait. Just tilt away that water a little bit. Freshen up the water a bit. Okay. Let's go. Out the way. Senior Magnificent is a beautiful rooster. He looks after them for real. Okay. So come ladies. Hey! So they're hungry. And it's a little bit moist. They're eating it now. It's a little bit moist, so I'd like the corn them to dry because they don't really like wet food all that much. They like dry food, but if you've ever seen my other channel, Cooking with the Yard Man, I always try to get a review from my wife. I don't even have to ask these chicken, they look like they're loving it. So once again, you know the chef. Bang! Yes guys, so that's our little vlog of the day. Feeding the chicken table scraps. And oh, let's hang the corn. So that's the corn cob from last night, left dangling. We're gonna put up 2 new fresh corn. And tomorrow, so they can have something for tonight. It's simple. Still working on bringing in our turkey. As you know, the garden is in germination, so okay, so here are our corn cobs. Neat little idea for your chicken. We put a screw. So we tie the screw and then we just drive the screw. Okay, and this is a good idea because you can freeze the corn during summer, sorry. You can freeze the corn during summer when temperature get high, and they'll have a nice cool snack during the day. For watch, like, subscribe for more tips. Emma? Okay guys, so before we put away with eggs them, I know we said it was the end of the video. I just wanna go over the size them. Like, okay, God, this so big. Comparing to the one them when they just like this one, she just started out. So you can compare the egg size them to the one that just started out. To the one them that the big beautiful egg right there. I guess this is getting old, you know. It's things like this that really gets you all worked up. Look at that, comparing egg sizes. And there's a nice little sheen on the egg. I don't know if you're gonna be able to catch it. I don't know. I think the sheen is called the laputine or some shit like, excuse me, there's a layer on it that is protecting it where once you don't wash the eggs, it's gonna stay fresh for like 2 weeks and stuff like that. That's one of the next benefit of having fresh eggs. As I say, a lot of things gonna happen because I want to make homemade mayonnaise, but it won't be on this channel. It will be on my TikTok, Cooking with the Yard Man, because that's really why we get the homestead to begin with. We was like, oh, we're gonna do like a Jamaican cooking channel, but we're really Jamaicans cook with fresh fruits, food. That's what makes it Jamaican, the freshness, or we grow it or we treat it. And then we accidentally build a homesteading channel, and we love it here. And I hope you love it here, and I hope everybody love it here and keep coming back here. Daily updates until you get tired of me. Daily updates, people.